वेलकम टू आईसी बैंगलोर ओपन डे। ये इवेंट हर साल आईसी के फाउंडर्स डे के साथ मनाया जाता है। इस दिन सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स ओपन होते हैं जनरल पब्लिक के लिए। इस दिन हर डिपार्टमेंट लोगों को डेमो, साइंटिफिक टॉक और एग्जीबिशन और लैब टूर दिखाकर साइंस और इंजीनियरिंग की तरफ एक्साइटमेंट प्रोड्यूस करने की कोशिश करता है। इस साल का इवेंट इसलिए भी इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये इस बार 2 साल के बाद हो रहा है कोविड की वजह से। आई होप आपको इस वीडियो से ओपन डे के बारे में काफ़ी कुछ जानकारी मिल जाएगी। तो हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो आपने शायद बहुत लोगों को पता होगा कि मैं इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस में पढ़ता हूँ। तो आज यहाँ पर ओपन डे है। तो ये इवेंट जो है हर साल होता है, कोविड की वजह से 2 साल से नहीं हुआ था। तो इस ओपन डे में क्या है कि जो इंस्टीट्यूट्स हैं उनके डिपार्टमेंट्स जो जनरल पब्लिक होते हैं उनके लिए ओपन होते हैं और लोग अपना काम समझाते हैं और थोड़ा बेसिक मॉडल सिखाते हैं। तो आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा आईसी का ओपन डे। तो मैं शुरुआत करूंगा अपने डिपार्टमेंट से। मेरा डिपार्टमेंट है CPDM, सेंटर फॉर प्रोडक्ट डिज़ाइन एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग। वो पहला डिपार्टमेंट जहाँ से एंट्री होती है। एंट्री के टाइम पे पहला डिपार्टमेंट पड़ता है ये। तो शुरू करते हैं। इस वाली वीडियो में ज़्यादा कुछ बोलूँगा नहीं, सिर्फ जो वहाँ पे आपके मॉडल्स होंगे और पोस्टर्स होंगे वो दिखाऊँगा।
Let's grade it line. Count.
The water level in this tank is rising. So it's important for them to see it upfront. The water level is going up. I understand. So it. Just take care that don't cross the line because.
Excuse me.
So you have this is 4.2
So this is स्मार्ट फैक्ट्री ऑफ CPDM एंड यहाँ पे जो इंडस्ट्री 4.0 जो रेवोल्यूशन कहते हैं जिसको, उस पर काम होता है। उसके डेवलपमेंट पे उसको स्टडी करते हैं यहाँ पर। तो रोबोट, वो भी रोबोट है।
Same principle only, cutting is happening here. Only thing, there we are using laser as a source for cutting. Here we are using wire. So this is called electric discharge machining. So basically, this is a spool which consists of brass wires. So what
EDM है।
Yeah, EDM. So this wire will pass through these nozzles. This is called upper nozzle and lower nozzle. So wire will be running like this. In continuous motion will be running. So for cutting, what we basically have to have is a drawing, a 2D drawing, and a program that machine can understand. So this is a controller. This is an ONA controller. So any machining machine should have its own language. So this basically runs on G code. So that is a language that this machine can understand. So this is what we have to cut.
What's the language, sir?
G code language. So there is a code, that's all. Material like gears and all accurately we can cut.
No problem.
So there won't be any debris forming here.
Yeah.
There won't be any debris. Easily we can cut. But it is only for 2D. Just like how that is only used for 2D, we can do it for 2D.
So this one is metal 3D printing machine, like additive manufacturing. Which metal do you use?
We use titanium, stainless steel,
Okay.
copper, aluminium, Inconel.
So which one is the most having most melting highest melting point?
It depends upon the matrix you're selecting. For titanium, it will be 1400.
So
For
this can produce this much of heat,
yes,
So you use powder?
yeah, in powder form.
Okay, powder form.
So what happens? The powder is being flown, and the laser melts and give you the structure.
These are the products,
Yes,
yeah?
yes.
So the surface quality, do you
Yes,
get
yes. You can just have a look.
it's little bit rough, eh?
Yes, because we haven't done any post-processing work.
What do you mean by post processing? What do you do for post processing?
Yes, yes, yes. We have the facility, but till yet we haven't done it. This is just the raw one which we got from the machine.
Okay, so this machine can't give you smooth surface.
Yeah, some less smoothness you get it.
Okay. So this is dry ice, eh?
Yeah.
What's the temperature?
Minus 80 degrees Celsius.
Minus 80, yeah. You can feel it.
Yeah.
So from where did you get it?
I mean, we can get it in Bangalore. Like, you can just order it.
Okay, okay. So what is the use of dry ice?
You can use it drop it. I mean, it's too cold.
Yeah.
Okay. So the use it's used for like preserving food items.
Okay.
Like transporting over long distances food items. Well, organic stuff mostly. Like you know how they transport like bodies over the countries.
Oh, okay.
They use similar stuff for it. So the application is like you need lower temperature application than regular ice. For regular ice, it's for icebox you use. If you need up to minus 80 something, you use this dry ice. And it also has like cooling applications as well.
It can do this to your hand, right? This is your, suppose this is your hand, normal water. Just keep it for some time. That's what it can do in just seconds.
It freezes your hand. It immediately, instantly freezes your hand.
Yeah.
So holding it for like more than 2 or 3 seconds, it can damage your hand.
Liquid nitrogen is way colder. Way too cold. Minus 190.
It's called dry ice.
Carbon dioxide.
So once you cool down carbon dioxide to minus 80 degrees Celsius, it becomes dry ice.
Okay.
This is a haptic as you know, right?
Yeah, I know, I know. So this is a haptic device. Okay. Okay, you want to explain?
So this is a haptic device
Yeah.
which gives you the sense of motion.
Yeah.
So you can manipulate objects as well. Right now this application has gripping and remove. You can remove this block with this grip
Okay. This is for grabbing.
grabbing.
Okay.
And to move around in space, this is the 3 degrees of freedom device. So you can move around in space.
ओके तो एक्चुअली ना ये जो वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड होता है उसके अंदर से कैसे इंटरेक्ट कर सकते हैं बाहर से ना, उसका एक हैप्टिक डिवाइस है तो
It gives sense of touch.
या सो यू कैन फील दैट ओके यू आर टचिंग सम सरफेस, इवन यू कैन फील द रफनेस. इट्स फैंटम. इट्स फैंटम. कंपनी नेम इज फैंटम और
Phantom device. It is Phantom Omni. It is called Phantom Omni. Haptic
ओके
device.
ओके
It's in 3D system.
ओके इट्स फ्रॉम 3D सिस्टम. यू कैन एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर द वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड एंड
Reno.
तो यहाँ पे इसके अंदर मोटर लगी होती है जो आपको मतलब रिस्पांस देती है टॉर्क चेंज करके. उससे फील होगा कि आप जैसे फोर्स आपके हैंड में लग रही है. सो इट इज पिकिंग. दिस इज अ बटन ना फॉर पिकिंग.
It is backside actually. It is.
ओके.
You can count it.
यस सो यू कैन फील द वेट.
You can feel the weight.
या वी कैन फील द वेट. और डिपेंड्स अगर आप सारे वेट्स एक बराबर ही हैं इसमें, ऑल द वेट्स आर सेम.
Here all are same.
तो मर गया. अरे इसका वायर तोड़ दिया. लगा रखा अपना रेस्टोरेंट. खाने के स्टॉल मिलते हैं यहाँ. क्या क्या मिल रहा है यार ये? What are you demonstrating?
This is a solar car.
Okay.
This is the solar panel. It's a silicon solar cell. So this will absorb the sunlight from the sun and it convert the solar energy into electrical energy. And through that electrical energy, these wheels are working. So you can see if it is a shadow, the wheels are not working.
Right.
So if it is a sunlight, it is working.
कैंडी मैन ही मिल रहा है साथ में. शॉकिंग कॉइल चेक करके देखिए कुछ शॉकिंग कॉइल है. क्या फील हो रहा है?
दोनों को टच करना है.
नहीं तो होगा क्या उससे? ओ सर्किट बनाना है.
angle you are seeing that from the main boundary. Interstitial defect forms when an atom which was supposed to be in a certain position is not there but it's somewhere else. So that forms an interstitial defect in a void. Void is found when so many atoms are missing from the form. So that's basically a three-dimensional defect that is seen in a metal. So why are defects important? The importance of defects. So metal is a periodic arrangement of atoms. But what if we had perfect metal? Perfect means no defects. Can we have it? It's
Practically not possible.
Practically not possible. But if it could be there, it would be of no use. Because for a particular application, we need deformation to happen. Like for a metal, we cannot just use it in its raw form. We need to deform it. Okay, so I'll start from the beginning. Yeah. So this is a non-invasive diagnostic setup. It is basically a breath analyzer. So normally, for example, we have to go for diabetes checkup. What we do, we go to path labs. They'll prick our blood. So it's invasive. We have to give our blood samples. It will take time for the reports to come. So there can be an alternate way. What if I exhale through my breath? There, for example, if there is acetone present in my breath, it is also indicative of diabetes. So this is basically a sensor array. This is a 4x4 sensor array. We have 16 sensors here that we fabricated to on these processes in the clean room. So if I exhale, so my breath will have different gas molecules, not just carbon dioxide and oxygen, but many other molecules. So right now we are sensing the moisture, humidity.
Microfluidic mixtures. So if you see inside, there are two channels. These are the inlet ports and this is the outlet port.
Okay.
So let's suppose if you are infusing blood from this side, the reagent which would actually mix with the blood and that will come out from here. So if you see at the back of me, these are zigzag serpentine channels.
Okay.
If it would have been the straight channel, not the zigzag, the two fluids will move like this. And because of the laminar flow, they will
Never mix.
It will mix. It's not like that. The time as and this length requirement would be very, very, very
Right.
huge.
इधर से इधर से. ये अट्रैक्टिव होती ना. बताया देना देखिए नाग मिसाइल है ये. सो ये आगे सेंसर होता है इसमें. मतलब क्या होता है, इसको उड़ा देंगे हवा में और उसको मिसाइल टेस्ट करते हैं टारगेट करके. हाँ हाँ बातों का मिनिमम. यार साफ तो कर देते हैं यार।
अगर लोगों को
We deal with knots, like when your hair can get knotted or earphones can get knotted.
Yeah.
Right. So there are so many knots that we face, even our shoelace getting knotted. And it is pretty tough to take out the knots. A very difficult problem, and similar is the problem in case of cells. Cells have a very long string called DNA. Now to take out the string is tough. Like to take out the knots from the string is difficult. So what DNA does, what the cells do is they use topoisomerases. So topoisomerases are something that can resolve the knots inside the DNA.
That's why the DNA is not entangled.
Yeah, so that it cannot be entangled. So to take out the tangles, what they do is cleave the DNA, pass the other strand and put it back. Now it is a linear form.
Be the machines for the sequence.
Definitely.
Are you familiar with Darwin's finches?
Come again?
Darwin's finches.
डार्विन
डार्विन को पता है ना
डार्विन पता है?
These birds have their common ancestor in South America and they migrated to this island called Galapagos.
ISC के अंदर 45 से ज़्यादा डिपार्टमेंट और सेंटर्स हैं जिनको एक ही दिन में कवर करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, बट स्टिल आई होप कि आपको इस वीडियो को देखकर नेक्स्ट ईयर ओपन डे में आने के लिए एक्साइटमेंट तो ज़रूर प्रोड्यूस हुई होगी, और आई होप कि नेक्स्ट ईयर आप ज़रूर यहाँ आएंगे विज़िट करने ओपन डे के दिन।